In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear brake pad wear sensor on this BMW 352Xi. Let's get into it. Remove the wheels, use a 17mm socket, take the lug nuts off. Before I take the last one off, I'm just going to hold the wheel from falling, pull that off, then grab the wheel and slide it off. We're going to use some needle nose pliers and just grab the sensor and just carefully pull it out. Just like that. There's a little retainer on the bleeder. Just pop that off. You can use the needle nose or a screwdriver. Take that off. And then follow along the wire. And there's going to be a clip. Just use a straight blade screwdriver, get under the clip, slide it out. There's another clip right there. Slide that out. And underneath, pop those clips up. You can see where there's a door right here. I'm going to open that door. Just use the straight blade screwdriver, pop that open. Pop this out. Disconnect the connector. Just push down on the tab, slide it out. All right, now we're going to connect the connector. It only goes on one way. Slide that in place. Lock it down. Push the connector same way it was when it came out. Just like that. Make sure the wire's not going to get pinched by the door. And lock it closed. I'm just going to follow along. Push those back in place. Slide those in place. Lock it down. Clip that in. And take the sensor, slide it into the brake pad. Just push it down until it's clipped in place. That's all the way down. And take that retainer that goes over the bleeder. Slide that in and push it down. Put the wheel on. Line that up. Get the bolts started. Now I'm going to torque the lug bolts to 96 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. And just go around again, double check. Good.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.